Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our agenda. This WTNC is about talking about programming. Okay, in this morning we have some speaker here, the Muhammad Fatir as the programmer in 11th grade can explain about some material in Laravel. Okay, maybe for Fatir, time and place is yours.
Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to our agenda. It's WTT or Weekend Tech Talk. So today I will be the speaker for this session, and thank you, Afaki, as the host for giving me the opportunity to talk about something that I hope is helpful or useful for you. And today I'm going to talk about one of Laravel package. It's called Lunar. So let me share my screen. Okay. Is it okay? My screen? Okay. So for Laravel, I prefer using Laravel. You can install Laravel first because it's a good environment for you to build Laravel project. So I will show you Laravel. So this is Laravel for Laravel. You can read modern and powerful, easy operation or easy environment. So you can uh, make a Laravel project with easily. Just click by click, and then you have your own project. So I think it will be good for you to using Laravel. Then you install Composer, you install exam PP, and then the others. If you if you are using exam PP, sometimes the MySQL or the database it's broken. It's broke, and I don't know how to fix. Maybe you can search, but it's uh it make obstacle for us to make the project. So I think the best way to make a project, Laravel project, is using Laravel because you just install Laravel and then you have everything, and you don't need to install anything again. So if you want to install Laravel, you can go to laragon.org, and then there is download session, and just click and then just follow the way to download the Laragon. There is two edition, Laragon full and then Laragon portable. So yeah, you can install download Laragon full, just 173 megabyte, and it's not really big for your computer. I know your computer or your laptop is good enough for this one. So install Laragon first, and then after you install, you can open your Laragon. This is the what is it? The dashboard, not the dashboard, but the homepage of the Laragon. There is start all the button below this. There are five buttons below. Uh, Start all, web, database, terminal, and root. Okay, and then there is a menu session. There is so many drop down in here, but I will tell you how to make a Laravel project in here. But before I go to the making a project with Laragon, I will explain the Laragon first. So if you want to start the Apache or the web server and then the database, you just click database. You just click start all, and then uh, they start by themselves. So there is Apache for the web server, and then MySQL for the database. And then next is web. So it just local host when you install, when you start the Laravel. I don't really think it's, if you want to see the documentation, it's good. Just open the documentation. And then the next is database. So if you want to see your database like this, so this is all my database. Attendance, e-commerce, final project, inventory, uh, online shop, and then this is the newest one. It's for Ujicom. It's really easy to make the Laravel project database if you want to see. I know there is no design like in PHP my admin. There is a design for your relation database, but in here there is no relation or I mean there is no design because yeah, you just need to like this. This is the database. So I think it's good. It's for you for making a Laravel project. So I will go to the next. This is the terminal. If you want to open the terminal or you want to start your project, you want to start the server of your Laravel, you can write in here in this or type in this terminal. And by example, simply uh, it's like uh, a basic terminal like the other one. Then yeah, just exit. And then the next is root. Root is for see the your all of your folder, Laravel folder. So is in root. In this is my C folder, and then there is Laragon, and there is www, and then your project. So this is all my project, and then we go to the new. So if you okay, just just make the Laravel project. Okay. Uh, the first is you start all this one. You start the Apache web server and MySQL database. After you start, you can click menu, and then there is quick app. And then there is a blank WordPress, Laravel, Symfony, and configuration automate quick app or clone. If you want to clone GitHub, you can clone, select project to clone, but I think you still need to the I mean you still need to clone by yourself. Okay, there is Laravel. Just click the Laravel and then project name. Uh, I will make Lunar package. Then click OK. The name is not valid. It must not contain. Oh, so there is no underscore. Maybe I will use camel case. Lunar package. And then it automatically create your database. So while we waiting for install the Laravel, let's see the database because there is a pop-up that say the database created database. So there is Lunar package. So it automatically create your database projects database. So it's very simple. You don't need to create new database. You just setting your environment, change your database name to the your project name. Mine is Lunar package, and I will show you. It's really simple. Okay, we are still waiting for the installer. So the good thing if you make project with Laravel is the structure. They already made the structure for you. You don't need to make the structure by your own self, like in Node.js. You have to make a concept, your structural concept by yourself. So I think Laravel is more easier if you want to make a project. But if I read in the article, Laravel is very good for making e-commerce, and today I will talk about e-commerce using one of Laravel package. It's called Lunar. So I will show you later after the installer finish. It's still generating optimized auto-load files. Yeah, sometimes it took a long time, take a long time, but yeah, it's okay. It's good to wait something for something good. I mean, let's see what are we going to make today. It's very easy to using Laravel. Just need to install, and then boom, you have everything. So this is Laravel. Laravel is very good for you if you want to make the project. And mine is Laravel full, so it just and the PHP version is 8.1. So I don't need to install the PHP. I mean, you don't need to always create your always install new version of PHP or your XMPP because I think this is the newest one. Okay, it's almost done. And then if you are using Laragon, there is pretty pet. Look at this. Oh, pretty URL. I mean, HTTP Lunar package test. So if we click this, there is nothing because uh, it haven't finished yet. Or maybe we are just using PHP artisan server. Oh, I mean, yes, we have to allow comment editors. Boom. This is the pretty URL. It's uh, it's pretty. Then there's localhost 8,000. It's sometimes it's just like PHP artisan server, and then just like this one is it's boring. But if you are using Laravel, there is a pretty URL if you want. It's really good for you. Then rather than yes, localhost and 8,000. So okay, we have our own Laravel project. So let's move to the our main topic. It's Lunar, Laravel. Yeah, yes, Lunar Laravel, and then the boom, Lunar headless e-commerce for Laravel. So this is a package for making online store or e-commerce, an open source package that brings the power of modern headless e-commerce functionality to Laravel. So we just need to install the package, and then they are scaffolding the UI, the authentication. So it's really easy to use, and then you don't need to what is it? You don't need to make something like you need to make the authentication, authorization, what is it, the rules, the middleware. You don't need to build that. Be- If you are using Lunar package, you just need to install the Lunar package, and then you have everything. You have your own e-commerce, You just need to redesign the e-commerce, and then boom, you have your own e-commerce. Okay, this is the website of Lunar package, lunarphp.io. So there is a documentation. Let's see the documentation. Documentation Lunar headless e-commerce. Get started. Okay, this is the overview. What is Lunar? Lunar is a Laravel e-commerce package. This is Laravel package for making e-commerce, which bring functionality akin to Shopify and other e-commerce platform to Laravel. So, oh yeah, this is using Laravel Livewire for real time. And then, okay, get started. Enough Wi-Fi. Let's help you install. Go to the installation. So there is a requirement. You must have PHP version, which is 8.1, and then Laravel version 9 or 10, and then MySQL, and then the others one. Okay, this is how to install the Lunar package. Let's just copy paste, or I will set up my uh, so I will not use the terminal. I will use so I will change my directory to Lunar package, and then yeah, let's start the installation. Composer require Lunar P Lunar PHP/. I think it will take a long time, but it's good for you to wait something that really good for you. Okay, still generating optimize upload file. So after you install the package, you have to add Lunar user to the user model. I will show you later. And then you have to add something to your environment, your own project, your environment project, and the following line to your environment file. You just copy paste and then copy and paste uh, in your environment, and then you run the artisan installer, which is PHP artisan Lunar install. And then this will take you through a set of questions to configure your Lunar install. So let's see what is the question. Okay, it's finished. And then the next one is we are open our project code, and then add Lunar user trait. So voice model, user model, and then this one just copy and paste Lunar user. Will okay. There is error undefined type because there is we haven't import the class yet. Yes, import, and then the error went away. So this is the use lunar slash base train Lunar user. And then let's count engine to it to our environment. Just copy. And then go to your environment, scroll down and yes. And then next one is PHP Artisan Lunar install. PHP Artisan Lunar install. Okay, run database migration. Okay. Before we run database migration, we have to change our database. So where is this is database Lunar package. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. I will cancel my install. Then I will install again. Yes, yes. It will automatically migrate all of the migration that uh, we install from the Lunar package. Okay, this is for installing admin hub. Create an admin user. What is your first name? My first name is Muhammad Fatir. My last name. My email address is fatir.test.com. My password just one at and then Lunar is now installed. Please show some love for Lunar by giving us a star on GitHub. So if you want to give star on their GitHub, you can open this link. I think we should give star for this packet because it's really useful for us to make the headless e-commerce. So I've given star. So let's make someone happy by giving their star. So I think we've done, and then you are now installed. We already installed the artisan, and then there's tip. You are now installed. You can access the admin hub at your site, HTTP your site hub. So yeah, let's run the PHP artisan. PHP artisan. So then there is here on you. So this is the authentication or the login page. We've already made an account, admin account, sign in, and then wait until the okay. This is our headless e-commerce by Lunar package. One of the Laravel package that useful for you. You just need to install Lunar package and then you have your own e-commerce. So this is the dashboard. They already made the UI for you. If you want to change, just change the UI and then have your own e-commerce. So this is the dashboard because I'm an admin. So this is the admin view. This is there is a chart for sales performance, and we can filter the what is it? The sales February 6 February until 20 February. So because there is no sales, because I just made the what is it the website. Because, so there is no sales. Okay, in the sidebar there is dashboard and product. Because you are an admin, you can create your own product. This product type, big brain. Okay, let's make a new product, create product. It will take a long time because it's heavy. I think it's heavy because this is Laravel. This product has no availability across channels and brand. So I think I will make the brand first. What's the brand? Nabati. So there is Nabati brand, product type, create product type. This is food product. Okay, create product type, and then you have your own product type. And then let's make a product brand, Nabati, product type, food, text, food. Details, Nabati K2. And then this is for the image. I don't really think we need an image. Availability channel, select which channel this product is available on. Mm, There is a switch, thing always on. Customer group, schedule which customer group this product available for. So there is no. And this is the pricing. There is default text class. So the text is already setting by Lunar package if required. So I didn't price uh, $1 is enough for display purpose. Always you to allow you to show a comparison price. Okay, let's make the product save product. We need to get release. I will. I don't know what I should was only content letters number please and underscore. I don't know what to feel, but I just make the product. So this is my own product. And then there is a collection. So this is the collection. And we go to the sales. So no entire form. I mean, there is no order because we just make one account and it's admin. Customer, there is no customer discount. We can make discount. So create discount if you want to make the discount for your product. Uh, I don't really think we need this one. Okay. Let's log out and make uh, user account. Oh, if we haven't made the account, we can register first. I think there is. Wait, let's see the what is the installation. I think there is a few for user. Okay, you can access the star font your site. You are now installed. Let's see the rules first. Let's web page. Research team. Oh, so wait. Installation requirement. Con configure Lunar install. Let's run this artisan. So there is no root for register. I'm still I'm still looking for the storefront. I mean, in the storage territory. Finish your install. You can access the storefront configuration. I mean, there is no route for user to um, do shopping. There is no route. If you see the route, there is no other route. And then if you see the resource queue, it just welcome.blend. I mean, where is the let's see the documentation. Don't forget to always read the documentation because it's useful for you. Storefront, they already done the hard work for you in a big. Oh, you have complete freedom to create your own storefronts, but we've already done the hard work for you in the backend. So they just make the, the backend things, I think. Because if we see in here, there is no creating a default admin user, sending initial data, inviting you to start our repo. You are now installed, you can access the admin hub at your site. Advanced installation. Wait. Before you run this, I may wish to customize some of the setup. Starter kit. So Lunar is using a Livewire, so it's for real-time shopping. This will create a shallow clone of the repo. From there, you will just need to remove the Git folder and initial it to make it your own. What is it? Lunar provides Circuit as a reference to build your custom account set. Circuit is as is our admin view. You can quickly see how to load product collection, discard, and check out. If you will prefer to install it, please follow the installation instruction. So this is for the Livewire. Configure migration by 20. Your inside, you can access the storefront. Okay. Storefront, Lunar, Laravel. Let's see the article. What article say? Mm, I think Lunar just make the a few for is it for the admin here, and then the make so. But I think it's still useful for you if you want to make the e-commerce headless e-commerce because you just need to install Lunar and then you have everything, you have your own e-commerce. So I think this is the good package for you. Commerce engine, administration hook, storefront, power your JavaScript. So so the storefront is still coming soon, I think. Documentation, feature, product type, image, shipping, URL. So yeah, there is no where is this server? There is headless e-commerce solution and currently offer a Laravel starter kit for reference. If it we okay, so let's make go to the where is starter kit? So this is the starter kit. I will con GitHub. I think there is a storefront in here. If you install in with this git clone, so let's just install. Let's make a new window and then open terminal. It's in wait. It's installed on my Acer. Okay, wait. Let me change my directory for it. Maybe just use. Okay, let's install the storefront. CD. Just follow the instruction. We need to compose that update. So wait until the composer done. Yeah, it will take a long time, I think, because composer is install your own dependency, install the composer dependency. So just wait until the composer finish. So I think this is for install the storefront for the user because there is two link. If you want to access the admin, we can slash you, or if you want to access your storefront, there's no slash, just your sub. You can just wait until the package, the composer finish. So I mean, I just want to show you, if you want to make your own e-commerce, you can using Laravel because Laravel it's good for making e-commerce project, and then you have this package, so you don't need to build your own backend because Lunar have made the backend for you. So let's wait until the install finishes. Hmm. It really takes your it really take a long time because it depends on your internet or your connection. Mine is kind of loud, so yeah, I think it is. Okay, let's read the documentation again. So after we install Composer Evidency, we configure Laravel app. I mean, we make file.env and then migrate and set in zip seeder. So we don't need to make the data because just using demo data. So okay, let's cp and then preference migrate. So let's open the project first. Just configure or setting our environment demo store. Okay, and prepare is a migrate. Is a migrate. Yes, it's migrating all of your migration. And then the next one is prepare design Lunar install. Yes, yes. That is migrate. Importing country instead. What is your first name? Admin. Admin increase. And then the next one is sync demo data, database it, and then link storage. Just follow just follow the instruction. This is for the storefront by LiveWire, by Lunar package. Still running the seeder. There is collection seeder, attribute seeder, text seeder, product seeder, customer seeder, and then now it's running order seeder. You just wait until the okay. And the next one is Pantry Artisan Storage Link, and then finish. You are now installed. You can access the storefront. So let's run Pantry Artisan. So let's see what we have in here. So this is the demo storefront. There is no image because okay, let's see the documentation again. Do not. We need to install something. Get started. Configuration, overview, database connection, order, media, order. Let's search image. Wait. Installation at Lunar. Oh, this one. Finish configuration overview. Order media. Upgrade guide. Mm, okay, let's ignore the image. Let's see, this is the our own storefront. So I mean, this is the storefront by Lackwire. In our website, they will store at store shoes. So just click to choose. I think this is using a tailwind. So if you want to, right, let's see. Let's search Lunar image overview, media library, extended, S media, adding media to models. Sorry, in the signal. So the quantity, three. This is the price. It must be the image, but we haven't configured our image. The quantity except the available stock. So this one. Add to cart. So error. Mean this is the error message. The quantity exceeds the available stock. So this, I don't know, there is no stock. So yeah, this is the front store. Let's see the hubs or admin. Let's log it admin. So this is the admin view. So this is the chart of our sales. So this is using database seeder. Yes, customer, item, place, and total. And turn off order. So it will show our order action. View order. Let's view order. So I mean this is like a show or details. So this is the details. It's really good for you because wow, I just saw this and then it's really good to make your own e-commerce. So download PDF. We can do like this. Download PDF or invoice update status. So this is the price, the total price, and then this is the status, the time or the date, the channel, shipping address, billing address takes additional information. So let's see the customer. So this is our customer. It's really amazing. You just need to install the package and then boom, you have everything. You just need to make your storefront for the user. So Lunar make for admin view for the logic, and then you can see dashboard is you don't need to make I mean you don't need to make the UI the dashboard. You don't need to make the function because Lunar already made for you. So I think this is the good package for you if you want to start build your own e-commerce or if you want to sell what is it cars. I think this is good for you using Lunar. So let's see the other uh, activity log. So this is the activity log attribute channel customer group language. We can add more language. So if you want to create a new language, I mean, if you want to create Indonesian language, you just create and then you put the code. You can make in this code. You can see your all of your customer And then you can see the good one is you can you can see the uh your order. So I can update the status awaiting payment, payment offline, payment received, this page. You can update the status, and if you can search the order, or you can do filter, the example status, this page. So there is no waiting payment. And this is using Livewire, so there is no reload or refresh. You just click and then it's real time. Place age. So yeah, this is a real time because the Lunar are using Livewire. So I think if you want to start the make your own e-commerce, you can use the Lunar package from Laravel, and don't forget to give the start for their own repo, like Lunar repo, because they make us to build e-commerce easily. So I think that's all from me. I hope there is something useful for you. I mean, you from after you watch this streaming, you can make your own e-commerce, make your own brand, your own company. Like maybe you can make a rival with Tokopedia or Bukalapak. I don't know. So yeah, don't forget to use Largon if you want to start Laravel project because it's really useful for you because it's easy environment because there is a composer, there are a composer, uh, and then you don't need to install the PHP version, you don't need to install the exam PB, you don't need to install the MySQL or database. So use Laravel for making Laravel project and then use a Lunar package for making headless e-commerce. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will return back to host.
Okay, thank you for Fatir to telling about Lunar package for Laravel and how to resolve the problem if you get some problem in Lunar package. Okay, maybe that's all for us from us in this morning. Thank you for your come in this webinar. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.